Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So if you want to blur a specific part of a video in your CapCut, follow this tutorial until the end to know how to do that. So the first step is to open your CapCut and import your video to your timeline. So if you don't know how to import, all you have to do is click on import and go to the videos and import the video that you like. Alright, so after you have done that, drag that video into your timeline. So now let's start the process. So all you have to do is copy this project and paste it over here and paste it over the main video. Now all you have to do is go to effects. Alright, so after that, select the blur effect. I'm just going to search for the blur effect. Now drag it to this overlay, so it will just apply to this overlay rather than the main video. So now over here, so for example I want to, alright, so I'm just going to undo this. So for example I want to blur this logo over here. What I have to do is drag this to our main video and now go over here and click on mask. Now let's do a rectangle mask and now drag it and adjust it to your logo. All right, make sure it is good enough, and after you have done that, just leave it right there, and there you go. Now that is how you'll be able to blur only a specific part in the video. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.